No retreat, no surrender. Let's get started. So I'm putting the tape down, have to do it. It's all for a purpose. You'll see. So this is the result of my hard work, I guess. Terrible. Capital T, look at it. I'm embarrassed. I don't think an amateur could do this bad. I don't think a group of kids can do this bad. I got a trick up my sleeve, though. You'll see. The step didn't even turn out good. What am I doing? Let's go. Okay, I'm mixing it again. I don't know what will change this time, but I can't give up. I can do a much better job. Let's bring the bucket up, see what we can do. Of course, I have to wet the surface. Got the sprayer, put down a little mist. Okay, I'm spreading the concrete as best as I can. Just like before. Wait a minute. Got the squeegee. What in the world? Well, what do we have here? I was able to use the squeegee because it's not drying as fast as before. I'm getting there. Oh yeah, much better. Who do I think I am? Look at this. I'm using this float here. Floating trowel. Helps me move the concrete. Now here I come with the brush. Like I'm an expert or something. Behave yourself. Cut it out. I told you it was for a purpose. Why don't I resurface this since I had excess concrete mix running off the step? Oh yeah, nice. I'll let you in on a secret. I didn't use the Sackcrete concrete resurfacer. I used their Top and Bond concrete patcher. Takes 3 hours to set. You got 24 hours to walk on it. Big difference. Easier to work with. Beginners, use something like a Top and Bond. Oh yeah, made things much better. Well, thanks for watching. You know the motto. Take care of your families. Take care of your bodies. Take care of your lawns too. Bye.